Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We got some news here for QIND, Ilus, and another company that is also listed here. ASNS down 11%, has been going down since yesterday. QIND has been going down as well. It tried to break out today above previous support, which is now resistance, and we got pushed down. I'm not in either of these. I am in Ilus, and if you've been following this channel, you know I bought at 1.2, then I bought again at 0.009 and 8. So I'm sitting pretty here up on some on the shares that I bought at 0.008, barely up on the ones that I bought at 0.009. And right now, it's looking like we might explode. Probably not this. I don't think we'll pop here. It's looking like it's getting ready to explode, but I don't think so. I think I think because of the 3 day weekend, we probably won't get a significant move until after the holidays. So probably next week is when we'll get a significant move here on Ilus. I could be wrong, but if we do get a move, it will retest double zero, not double zero. We'll retest 0.0107, and then from there we'll go to 0.0131, and we'll see. We'll see where this ends up. I don't really care about QND. That one, whatever. I don't care about it. I care about the company that owns it. It's subsidiary of Ilus. So when QND benefits in any way, Ilus tends to benefit. We've been seeing this climb since it hit a low of 0.075. And again, I'm in it. I don't know what to tell you. I've been telling you to buy under a penny. So if you're accumulating, congrats. Just continue to hold and wait. We'll get another move. This one doesn't have the share structure of AITX. So this one will move. All it doesn't take much buying pressure. Look at this move here. Look at that buying pressure. 27 million in volume on this day, and it ran from 0.0086 to a high of 190. A whole penny in one day. That is all it takes. A whole penny, by the way. AITX can't even move, even with, let's see, how much volume did it get here? Even with almost half a billion in volume, it can't go much of anywhere. Can't even move a penny. So just a comparison that this one, you want to start accumulating, and then when the big pop happens, take your profits and be content. Other than that, the news that did come out for QIND, where is it? Some people are buying QAND right now or ASNS right now while it's in the red, but I'm just not going to jump into those. I'll play it safe and buy ILUS, buy the parent company, because they will benefit, and the share price has been moving since then. So let's see. The company has signed a binding term sheet with Actelis Networks for Actelis to acquire 61 to 75% of the issued and outstanding shares of the company, subject to customary terms for closing. I don't really care about the other company that's being. I don't care about Actelis Networks. Let's see what John Paul Backwell had to say. Teaming up with the Actelis opens up new opportunities for the expansion of our company. Harnessing the advanced technology. Okay, I don't care about that. So here's what we should care about. The acquisition by Actelis also provides us with a strong foundation for future planned acquisitions. And further synergies are being explored with QIND's sister company ERT, which is not part of this transaction. Yeah, I think that's it. That's pretty much the key takeaway. So how do you? Okay, so ultimately, what people care about is how can you benefit from this? How can you benefit either as a trader or a shareholder? So if you want to benefit from this, buy Ibis. Just buy Ibis because it's the parent company. Buy Ibis and hold it. It'll get another run and let other people chase it. Because right now this is when people don't want it. Look at that low volume. People don't want it down here. This is when you want to buy. And then when people want it, it's going to explode and they'll chase and we'll make a lot of money when it goes to 2 cents or whatever. And the haters, they're going to just stay, hating. Because I remember when I bought it 1.2 and it went down, the haters were quick to come out and be like, hey, you don't know what you're doing. You're wrong. I should do the opposite. but they don't know that this one. We've been following this one for almost 3 years. We know how it likes to move. It'll slowly bleed, and then eventually, oh, suddenly a catalyst, boom, and it just goes pennies. So this isn't even the biggest move we've had. I think was way back here. I believe we moved like 6 cents way back here. Let me see if I can pull that up before I let you guys go. And this thing isn't working for me. Come on. Where is there we go. Let me bring it down. Let me move it up. I should have access to the timeline down here. And let us zoom in. Let me just show you how big of a move this can make on a good catalyst. Ready? You see that giant green bar to the left-hand side. Let's zoom in. So, in one day, we got 73 million in volume. And it ran from not double zero, from 0.05, no, 0.075 to 0.1158. So it moved a whole 4 cents on 73 million volume. 4 cents, guys. And guess what? The people that chased up here, well, they had fun either taking a loss or holding a bag because it didn't really create a new high after this. So either they ran, either they held the bag there and averaged down, or they took the loss when it came down, or they just added more, thinking it was going to keep breaking out. But see, no one wants it down here, and then when it goes, oh, everyone wants to chase. That has been the pattern for this for a long time now. Let the haters hate, let them say what they want, but when this thing runs, it goes and they're nowhere to be found. And sometimes they delete their accounts, I've noticed. All right, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Buy ILUS. Now I'm a little more positive now with the current share price moving up higher. Now they're getting things done. I do hope to see them execute on the uplisting of both ERT and QIND in the first half of June. Not the first half of June, the first half of 2024, because that's what they stated in the 10K. So, or was the 10Q? I think it was a 10K because they haven't released their 10Q. That's right. Alice has not released their 10Q, so that's still kind of concerning. I'm hoping this stock moves to 1-2 so I can just get out and then play it safe after the fact. And I'll get back in after the fact because yeah, I'm not. You know what? I'll end it on a positive note. I'll see you guys.